To switch between personal and business on Venmo, start by opening the Venmo app on your mobile device. Tap the menu icon, which is usually represented by 3 horizontal lines, and select Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down to the section labeled Business Profile and tap on it. If you have not already, you will need to create a business profile by tapping the Create Business Profile button and following the prompts to set up your business account. This will require providing some basic business information, such as your business name and category. Once your business profile is set up, you can switch between your personal and business profiles by tapping the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will bring up a menu with options to switch between your personal and business profiles. To switch to your business profile, simply tap on the business profile option. You will know you are in business mode when you see your business name and logo at the top of the screen. From here, you can manage your business transactions, invoices, and payments. When you are ready to switch back to your personal profile, follow the same steps and select your personal profile from the menu. It is a good idea to keep your personal and business transactions separate to maintain organization and clarity. Best practices for using Venmo for business include keeping accurate records of your transactions, using clear and descriptive payment notes, and setting up a separate business bank account to keep your business finances separate from your personal finances. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily switch between your personal and business profiles on Venmo and manage your finances with ease.